Perhaps some of you have a school assignment to create a hatched circle. A hatched circle is a circle with lines inside it. These hatched circles are usually found in math classes. So, to learn how, read this tutorial to the end to learn how. First, let's create a circle. To create a circle, we use shapes in the Insert menu. After that, adjust the size to create a perfect circle in the Shape Format menu. Then, right-click on the circle and select Format Shape. The Shape Formatting tool will appear on the right side of the screen. After that, click Fill and select Pattern Fill. A variety of patterns will appear. Since we're creating a hatched pattern on the circle, we'll choose a hatched pattern. Simply click on the desired hatching pattern and it will appear on the circle. Easy, right? That's how to create a hatched circle in Word. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Good luck and see you in the next video.